All right, so what do I want to talk about today? I want to talk about Google's new Alpha Evolve. Iteration coming from DeepMind, which is a Google company, and focused on applications specifically to scientific research and scientific algorithm discovery. Key aspects of this new model is that it's based on the genetic algorithms, which means it takes genetic approach to finding and building new algorithms. But more specifically, what it does is that the model itself re-evaluates what it has discovered without much of human interaction. So what does it do? The impact of this is that it is able to have a very unbiased and very wide, let's say, breadth to do some unbiased research and come out with possible algorithms. So who is this going to be for? So primarily this is going to be used by scientific research. So wherever researchers are able to model some kind of algorithm, this model can then be used to find further optimizations and to explore further advancements. It also has been supposedly used at Google to improve how it manages its algorithms, especially when it comes to managing its infrastructure. Beyond this, it also comes in very handy in more general purpose kind of research, and we'll see how that evolves. So what do you compare this to? I think the most closest comparison that's been made for the new Alpha Evolve model is the FunSearch kind of DeepMind model which existed before. So kind of seems like it's competing with its own earlier generation, but this is something that's becoming available to a lot of the researchers and will probably see as the time goes being used in a generally across many other spaces. So what do you think about it? Kind of interesting new developments coming from Google, but also sort of a little bit different, keeping in pace with all the developments happening at, for example, OpenAI and its launch of Cortex, which is more focused on like programming skills and, kind of having an agent which helps with that entire development and release process. So hope you found something useful here and you would want to explore more. Do comment if you found it interesting, and if you have some specific use cases you've already explored, feel free to share it. Thank you.